need to exactly zero in the correct choice for the connectivity between the integral and the numeric value. So you can pause this and work the question out. When we come back, let's see what is the correct choice. Okay, students, I hope you all have got the correct solution. So let's start the question by writing the expansion, the series expansion for cos x, which is 1 negative x squared over 2 factorial, positive x to the power of 4 over 4 factorial, negative x to the power of 6 over 6 factorial, positive etc. Now I need to operate on the left and the right hand side using the operation integral 0 to 1 x squared times the differential operator with the expansion for cosine x being sandwiched between them. So let me perform the operation for both sides. So this is going to be integral 0 to 1 x squared times cos x dx. Now clearly this is going to be greater than equal to integral 0 to 1 x squared times of 1 negative x squared over 2 factorial positive etc. times dx. This is an infinite series. So I can rewrite this as integral 0 to 1 x squared times of 1 negative x squared over 2 factorial times dx. This is going to be greater than equal to integral x squared of 1 negative x squared over 2 factorial is 2 times dx. This is limit 0 to 1. This can be further rewritten as greater than 1 integral 0 to 1 x squared times dx negative 0 to 1 x squared over 2 times dx. Of course, this x squared is multiplied here, so this will become x to the power of 4. I integrate this, I get x to the power of 3 over 3, the limits are 0 to 1. I integrate this, I get x to the power of 5 divided by 5 times 2 is 10, 0 to 1. This is greater than equal to, I apply the upper limit, I get 1 over 3, and no need to apply the lower limit. I apply upper limit, I get 1 over 10. So this is greater than equal to, I get a 1 over 3 negative 1 over 10. So the LCM is going to be 30, 3 divides 30 10 times, 10 divides 30 3 times. So this is greater than equal to 10 negative 1, 7 over 30. Okay. So therefore what you have on the left hand side, you got 0 to 1 x squared cos x dx is greater than equal to 7 over 30. So this should be a right choice, and this is how you zero in the right choice. Okay.